Before you start working with ScreenFlow, you're going to want to make two very quick setup changes that is going to make your life much easier. Go up to your ScreenFlow menu and click on ScreenFlow, then Preferences. The first preference you're going to change is under the General tab. You see where it says countdown for recording is 5 seconds. This may be fine the first couple times you use ScreenFlow, but after that, this 5 seconds is going to seem like an eternity. You don't need 5 seconds, believe me. So just click on this down arrow and change it to 2 seconds. That will give you plenty of time. Next, you're going to go to this third icon that says Shortcuts. So where it says Shortcuts, you're not allowed to change the default. So we're going to click on this arrow and choose Configure. And then we're going to click the plus sign and then Duplicate Default and then OK. Now you can see where it says Toggle Recording. This is the set of keystrokes that begin and end a recording. So you can see the default is Shift Command 2. I don't know who designed this, but Shift Command 2 is an awful toggle. First of all, you have to physically look at your keyboard to do it. And second, it will probably require 2 hands. I'll use my left hand to click on Shift Command and then my right hand to hit the 2. That is horrible. So just double click on it and I want you to change this to Control Z. Control Z can easily be done without even looking at your keyboard because the Control key is at the extreme bottom left-hand corner, so you can easily find it, and then the Z is kind of like diagonally right next to it. You can easily start a recording now with one hand without looking at the keyboard. So those are the 2 changes. Number 1, change the countdown to 2 seconds, and number 2, change the toggle recording to Control Z. And those are two quick changes, and now we're ready to move on.